Pebbles Kids Learning.
My country. India is my country and I am an Indian. India is the 7th largest country in the world. India is also called as Bharat and Hindustan. India became independent from British rule on 15th August 1947. The following signs are our national pride: national flag, national emblem, national anthem, national song, national currency symbol, national flower, national fruit, national river, national animal and national bird. Now let us take a look at our national signs in detail. National flag. A horizontal tricolor of saffron at the top, white in the middle and green at the bottom. In the center is a navy blue wheel with 24 spokes known as Ashok Chakra. National emblem. Adopted on 26 January 1950, the day that India became Republic. Emblem also consists the motto of India, Satyamev Jayate. National anthem. Jana Gana Mana by Rabindranath Tagore is our national anthem. National song. Vande Mataram by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee is our national song. National flower. Lotus is our national flower. It is an auspicious symbol of Indian culture. National fruit. Mango is our national fruit. National river. Ganga is the national river of India. It is the largest river of India. National animal. Tiger is our national animal. National bird. Peacock is our national bird. National currency symbol. The rupee sign is our national currency symbol. Festivals. We celebrate many festivals. We pray and have fun during festivals. In India, we celebrate two types of festivals: national festivals and religious festivals. National festivals are celebrated all over the country. Our national festivals are Independence Day, Republic Day and Gandhi Jayanti. We celebrate Independence Day on 15th August every year. Republic Day on 26th January every year and Gandhi Jayanti on 2nd October every year. Now let us take a look at our national festivals in detail.
Independence Day. It is celebrated on 15th August every year. India became independent on this day. It is one of the most important days in Indian history. A long time ago, India was ruled by the British. For many years, our freedom fighters fought hard and we became independent on 15th August 1947. Every year on this day, we remember all our freedom fighters who gave their lives for the nation. On Independence Day, the Prime Minister of India hoists the national flag at the Red Fort in New Delhi. He makes the speech and asks all of us to salute the country by saying Jai Hind. Flags are hosted across the country in all the cities, towns, villages and schools. Republic Day. It is celebrated on 26 January every year. India became republic on 26 January 1950. A grand parade is held at Rajpath in Delhi. School children and folk dancers from different parts of country participate in the parade. Lots of people come to see this colorful parade. The President of India hosts the national flag. We salute the national flag. Flag hosting is followed by cultural programs all over the country. Gandhi Jayanti. It is celebrated on 2nd October every year. It is birthday of Mahatma Gandhi. India got freedom under the leadership of Gandhiji. His full name is Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. He was born on 2nd October 1869 at Porbandar in Gujarat. A prayer meeting is held at Gandhiji's Samadhi at Rajghat in New Delhi. The President, the Prime Minister and other dignitaries visit Rajghat. They offer prayers and flowers at his Samadhi. Our national leaders pay homage to Gandhiji by singing bhajans. Gandhiji is known as Father of Nation. Children lovingly call him Bapu. Gandhiji believed in peace and non-violence.
Religious festivals. Religious festivals are celebrated by different people of different religions in India. Some common religious festivals are Diwali, Holi, Christmas, Guru Purnima, Navratri and Dashera, Pongal, Onam, Eid, Raksha Bandhan, Makar Sankranti, Gudi Padwa, Janmashtami and Ganesh Chaturthi. Now let us take a look at our religious festivals in detail.
Diwali. Diwali is the festival of lights. On this day, we decorate our houses with oil lamps, diyas, candles or bulbs, rangoli and flowers. It is generally a 5-day celebration. Each day has a significant meaning. We worship Goddess Lakshmi on the day of Lakshmi Pujan. People distribute gifts and sweets to each other. Children enjoy firework and crackers. We eat sweets and have lot of fun. Holi. Holi is the festival of colors. Usually it is celebrated for 2 days in most part of India. The bonfire is lit on the night of first day, which is known as Holika Darshan. On second day, people play with different colors. They put gulal and throw colored water on each other. The second day is called Rang Panchami. People greet each other and offer sweets. Eid ul Fitr. Eid is an important religious festival celebrated by Muslims. It is celebrated after a whole month of fasting, which is called Ramzan. On the last day of Ramzan, people come out to see the beautiful Eid moon. People go to mosque to offer their prayers called namaz. They all wear new clothes and greet each other saying Eid Mubarak. Sevaya are the special dish on this day. Christmas. Christmas is a grand festival of Christians. It is celebrated on 25th December every year all over the world. It is the birthday of Jesus Christ. Churches are decorated on this day. Special prayers, carols are held in the church at midnight. On Christmas evening, people decorate Christmas tree at home. Small children wait for Santa Claus to give them gifts. We enjoy the Christmas cake. Guru Parb. Guru Parb is celebrated to mark the birthdays of 10 Sikh Gurus. People decorate their houses and go to Gurudwaras to pray. Big colorful processions are taken out. Gurudwaras are decorated with flowers and lights. A community lunch langar is served there. Navratri and Dasara. It is celebrated for 10 days. Navratri represents celebration of goddess Durga. The word Navratri means 9 nights in Sanskrit. Final 10th day is Dasara. People play Garba and Dandiya for 9 nights. Dasara is celebrated to mark the victory of good over evil. On this day, Lord Ram killed Ravan, the demon king of Lanka. The effigies of Ravan, his brother, and his son are stuffed with crackers and are burnt. In South India, people worship goddess Durga, Lakshmi, and Saraswati during Dasara. Pongal. Pongal is celebrated by the people of Tamil Nadu in the month of January. They worship the sun god, the rain god, their domestic animals, cows and bulls, etc. People prepare sweet rice called Pongal. Onam. Onam is a festival celebrated by people of Kerala. People worship the god. This is followed by a feast. The great attraction of this day is the boat race. These boats are called snake odi boats. On this festival, people of Kerala wear new clothes and have a grand meal served on banana leaves. Mahashivratri. Mahashivratri is celebrated as birthday of Lord Shiva. On this day, people go to temple and offer prayers to Lord Shiva. People generally fast on this day. Raksha Bandhan. Raksha Bandhan is a festival of brother and sister in Hindu religion. Raksha Bandhan is a bond of love and affection between brother and sister. On this day, sisters tie the Rakhi on the right wrist of their brothers. Rakhi is the sign of protection that the brother promises towards his sister. After tying the Rakhi, brother gives his sister gift. Makar Sankranti. Makar Sankranti is also known as Kite Festival. It is generally celebrated on 14 January every year. People fly bright colored kites and distribute Tilgul Laddus on this day. Gudi Padwa. Gudi Padwa is celebrated on the first day of Hindu month Chaitra, and it is celebrated as New Year Day by Maharashtrians. A gudi is raised to invite prosperity and good luck into the house. Traditionally, a paste of neem leaves, cumin seeds, jaggery, and salt is eaten on this day. Janmashtami. Janmashtami is a Hindu festival celebrated in remembrance of the birth of Lord Krishna. On this day, young people form small pyramids with colorful uniforms to break dahi handi, which is tied a few feet high above the ground. Ganesh Chaturthi. Ganesh Chaturthi is a Hindu festival celebrated as the birthday of Lord Ganesha. It is celebrated all over India and widely in Maharashtra. People bring idols of Lord Ganesha and worship it. The duration of this festival varies from 1 to 10 days.
Pebbles Kids Learning.